She drops the weight of the week on the floor. It's 5:01 Friday. She ain't answering the phone anymore. She cracks a Patrón, silver liquid burning down sweet and slow. 2 shots in the glass, watching all of that corporate stress go. She peels off the blazer, kicks the heels to the side of the hall, but skin in the bassline. She stands the shadows onto the wall. She's feeling a rhythm. 2 more shots for a heart-thumping trance. Then she slides her hips deep into those oversized sweatpants. Oversized. Sweatpants dance. The room's getting warmer. The tequila is raining, it's queen. Topless in the kitchen. She's the baddest that she's ever been. 2 more for the road. Then she's squaring her front to the back, shadowboxing the ghost, watching all of her enemies like she's landing the hooks. She's snapping the lid of her kicks, and me to a skull in her mind. Yeah, she's getting a fix. Now she's breathless and buzzed. Let the piece fall, then scream boogie. 2 more shots for the win, then she pulls on that oversized hoodie. Sinking under the weight of the quilt, the ceiling is swaying. The whole world is starting to tilt, the controller is heavy. The buttons are drifting away, the screen is a blur of a game she's too faded to play. She's seeing 2 visions, the darkness is starting to sink. Then she's out like a light, blacked out in her oversized everything. Oversized. Oversized.